When an electronic device runs an ad without the help of the internet, it's called offline digital marketing. These electronic devices can be a TV, radio, and telephones. Offline digital marketing can be categorized into 4 different types, such as enhanced offline marketing, radio marketing, phone marketing, and TV marketing. Let's look at each type in detail. Enhanced offline marketing just enhances the offline marketing of a particular product or service. All the billboards in Times Square are an example of enhanced offline marketing. Radio marketing is simply the ads that you listen to in the middle of the shows. A radio listener listens to the radio for an average of 2 hours every day. Then comes the television marketing, which talks about the pictorial representation of a product as a minute-long ad. Marketers try to promote the product using catchy jingles and making celebrities endorse their products. Television marketing has the highest budget, and audiences trust them more than any other medium by 15%. Finally, let us discuss telephone marketing. Here, a product is sold via cold calling to a potential customer and engaging them. The next alternative is SMS promotion of the product, where the features and details are texted to a customer to arouse interest.